Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I care for my color treated hair by using some new products that I picked up from my local Sally's. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I did this really cute style by using a product from my local Sally's. So first things first, I like to go in with a shampoo that is sulfate free, and this Ion Color Solution sulfate free shampoo is perfect for my color treated hair. It is paraben free as well and 100% vegan. What I love about this shampoo is that it does lather up really well, and I like to wet my hair first and then apply the shampoo to the perimeter of my head, and then I like to use my fingertips to really work that shampoo in to clean my scalp. And you guys, I had a lot of buildup on my hair, so I was glad that this shampoo cleaned my hair but did not strip it completely of moisture. This shampoo is perfect for color treated hair because it does increases the life of your hair color. So as you guys can see, I do have red hair, and red hair tends to fade really fast, so I'm glad that I have this shampoo to help prevent my hair color from fading so fast. You might not know this, but if you are using the wrong shampoo on your color treated hair, it could definitely make your hair color fade faster, and it could also dry out your hair even more and cause breakage or damage. Next up, I like to follow up with a conditioner after shampooing my hair, and today I'm using the Ion Intense Moisture Conditioner. Although the shampoo did not strip my hair completely of its moisture, I still like to follow up with a conditioner just to add some moisture and hydration back to my hair. What I really liked about this conditioner was that it was safe for color treated hair, and it also left my hair feeling very soft and vibrant, and it looked shiny. And as I was rinsing this conditioner out, my curls were just so smooth and all in its place, detangled. It definitely had a lot of slip in it. So when I applied this conditioner, I left it on for about 3 minutes, and then I went ahead and washed my hair out because I am going to follow up with a deep conditioner today. So when using this conditioner, you could just use it alone and leave the conditioner on a little bit longer. But like I said, you guys, with this color treated hair, I like to make sure that my hair has all the moisture that it needs. So the deep conditioner that I am using is also from Ion, and this is their Luxe Solutions Masque. And I like to follow up with a deep conditioner a lot of times right after my regular daily conditioner because I am really looking for that moisture. With this color treated hair, it does dry out quickly. I haven't had any issues with it because I'm making sure to deep condition my hair weekly. So this is a part of my daily routine, just making sure that that deep conditioner is all throughout each strand of my hair, putting on a cap and making sure that that soaks in for about 15 minutes. Even though the bottle says 5 minutes, I leave it on a little bit longer just so I can make sure all of that moisture is getting into my curls. So as you guys can see, I'm going ahead and rinsing my hair out, and I like to do that in a motion where my hair is going all back in the same direction. And my hair had so much slip after using that deep conditioner, it really made the detangling process so much easier. Now on to styling my hair. I have my turban on right now just to soak up some of that moisture. And the product that I'm going to be using to style my hair is from Texture ID. This is their styling cream. This product is perfect for curly to coily hair. As you guys can see, I do have coily hair. I like to say my hair is kinky curly. As you guys can see, I am going ahead and separating my hair, parting it off so that I can get ready to do a twist out on my hair. This product was super duper thick. I was not expecting it to be so thick. I did use a lot of this product on each section of my hair. I was very generous with it. I took my brush, brushed the product through. This product is, like I said, very thick. It's made with cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, and wheat protein. So perfect for color treated hair, especially if you're trying to make sure that your hair has the strength and elasticity that it needs. So once I have the product applied to that whole section of hair, I go ahead and twist my hair all the way down, making sure that it's completely detangled first. And then once I get to the end of my twist, I like to do a little twirl, my normal routine for my twist outs. I'm taking some water. I didn't show that at the beginning, but I am taking some water from a spray bottle, wetting up my hair a little bit because it has dried along the way, and applying some of that cream, taking my brush, brushing the product through, and then I'm going to begin twisting it all the way down and then give my hair a little twirl at the end. I like to make sure that my hair is completely covered whenever I am styling my hair with the product. I like to make sure it's completely covered with the product because this is going to make sure that I am locking in all of the moisture that I am trying to lock in with this color treated hair. So I'm just going to continue to twist my hair all over, and when I come back, my hair is going to be completely twisted and ready to dry. Now I did air dry for a little bit, and then the next morning I sat under a hair dryer just to make sure my hair was completely dry. And you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry before untwisting your hair, because if not, your hair will frizz up and have a ton of volume. My hair was a little bit wet at the root, but that's okay. I got a whole lot of volume from my hair being a little bit damp at the roots. So I am going in and just separating my hair as much as I can separate because I love big hair. I hate flat hair. So this product did a really good job of adding curl definition and frizz protection. I did get a little bit of frizz at the ends, but that's okay. Like I said, I do love volume, and with volume comes less definition, so that's okay. So for my style, I am just sectioning off a section of my hair on the side, pinning that down, and taking some of my gold hair jewelry that I found at my local beauty supply and putting that on my hair just to add a little bit of accent. As you guys can see, my hair is very big. It's very soft to the touch. I'm taking my pick, picking my hair out a little bit because, like I said, I love big hair, and my hair is feeling so soft, so soft. And this is the style, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions about how I am caring for my color treated hair by using these products, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.